these cakes, I am showing you guys how we put sprinkles on our drip. I know you've seen it around and it's super fun. It does take a minute. It's not one of our easier cake techniques, but it's worth it if you guys want to take the time to do it. So today I'm going to show you guys how we get sprinkles on our drip. I made this cake, you guys kind of saw the process. Today I'm just showing you the end of the process, and let's get some sprinkles on our drip. I'm going to actually start out by putting more up here. I kind of want to go up here first because, I mean, it's fun and it looks cute. Okay, so we're just gonna put the sprinkles on. Like I said, I have the pan underneath because it does help with the crazy sprinkles flying everywhere, as my husband so kindly points out. I'm just kidding. He's actually super awesome about the sprinkles being all over the house. Okay, so first off, I'm just putting them here. You can place them right there, and we'll do that a little bit more where we missed. All right, so to get our sprinkles onto our drip, there's a few ways to do it. We, however, today are gonna do it this way. I have a little bowl of shortening. Yes, this is shortening. Just bear with me here. It's shortening. We put our finger right here, we rub it a little bit in the shortening, and then we just put our finger into the sprinkles, and look at that. They're on my finger. That way it helps us place them onto our drip. So we'll just kind of go down the drip like I'm doing right here. Some of them fall off. It's definitely a work in progress, but we're just gonna go down the drip. If you need more, you obviously put your finger back in there and get some more. Super easy. Definitely, like I said, it's not something if you're wanting to do a quick cake. It's not, sprinkle drips are not for you if you don't want to sit and put them on every single drip. But if you do have the patience to do it, it looks super cute and people will love it, and I will be so proud. I don't actually mind doing stuff like this. I actually like it. It's kind of calming sometimes just to kind of get your sprinkles and just go down the little ganache strip, and it's fun. It's not to me, this is not a tedious thing. I mean, guess, you know, that's probably why I'm a cake maker, because things like this are actually really fun for me. You can get some more on your finger, and where I kind of missed up here, where I kind of want more, I'm just gonna kind of put them there, just like this, so that they get there, and we start covering this fun cake in sprinkles. Also, if you get sprinkles kind of where you don't want them, you can wait, don't take them right off, maybe freeze your cake, and then you can get them off. They'll come off really easy if you just freeze your cake for a few minutes, and then you'll be able to pull those little sprinkles right off without making any problems in the buttercream as you pull them off. So I will leave them there, and I'll pull them off after I put my cake back in the freezer for a minute. That way, our cake will still be intact and looking good, even though we have a few stray sprinkles. If you want to keep the stray sprinkles, that is completely fine, up to you, whatever you guys want to do. Like I said, cake making is just about fun and just going for it here, and that is what we're doing. I will get you guys a little bit closer here so you guys can see it a little bit closer up. I know you get it what I'm doing, but we'll get a little closer so you guys can kind of see the full picture. Once again, you just dip your finger right in here into the shortening. Not a lot, just a little bit, just kind of so it's a little shiny, and then dip your fingers into the sprinkles and then come back on your finger. That way you can just kind of place them where you want them to go on your drip. hanging out here at Chili's Bakes Cakes as we learn how to place our sprinkles on our ganache drip. Some call this a very tedious process and they don't enjoy it. However, I don't know, it must be the cake maker in me. I love it. It's kind of therapeutic, just kind of putting those sprinkles on there. So if you guys have patience and time, I say try it, and it really does make for a really cute cake. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, push that button, and have an awesome day, guys.